Bing with AI is going to completely change what people can expect from search. We're grounded in the fact that, Google dominates this space.
As the digital war is going on with Google and with Microsoft OpenAI partnership, things are getting real serious as the Microsoft OpenAI came with a new level search engine and is next level. Do you think it will be a rival for Google? So let's find out what the partnership has brought for the race. Google is one of the largest tech companies in the world. It is an American multinational technology company. Google mainly focuses on artificial intelligence, search engine technology, cloud computing, online advertising, computer software, quantum computing, and consumer electronics. Google is known as the most powerful company in the world, one of the world's most valuable brands due to its market dominance, data connection, and technology advantages in artificial intelligence. Sundar Pichai was appointed as the CEO of Google in 2015. He brought many innovations and technological improvements to Google. Microsoft Corporation is an American company. It is a multinational corporation. Microsoft headquarters is in Redmond, Washington. Microsoft is best at forest software products. The Microsoft Windows line of operating systems is one of the most popular operating systems in the world. The Windows operating system is very easy to use, as well as very functional. The flagship hardware product of Microsoft is the Xbox video game console. The Microsoft Xbox is the personal favorite of many gamers. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975. They first started to develop the cell base for the Altair 8800. By 2015, Microsoft became the market dominant in the IBM PC-compatible operating system market and the Office software suite market. But Microsoft lost the majority of the overall operating system market, Android. OpenAI is an American artificial intelligence AI. The OpenAI research laboratory consists of non-profit OpenAI Inc. and its for-profit subsidiary OpenAI LP. The Open Search on Artificial Intelligence declared the injection is for developing safe and beneficial artificial intelligence. AI is a highly autonomous system that outperforms humans in many sectors. In December 2015, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Elon Musk, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Infosys, and YC Research announced the formation of the AI-based OpenAI. They collectively invested about $1 billion in this venture. Elon Musk is the biggest investor in this venture. OpenAI's transition from a non-profit to a capped for profit, with a profit capped about 100 times more than any investment. The opener attracts many investors from venture funds. The OpenAI announced that GPT-3 in 2020. ChatGPT-3 is a language model that trains large data sets. GPT-3 is aimed at natural language answering questions. The GPT-3 can also translate between languages and simply generate improvised texts. In 2021, Open introduced DALL-E, a deep learning model that can generate digital images from natural language descriptions. The OpenAI received widespread media coverage when they launched a free preview of ChatGPT in December 2022. ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5. According to OpenAI, preview received over a million signups within the first 5 days. But things are not going smoothly for Google as the old rival strengthens. Yes, you heard it right. And the great rival of Google is the one and only Microsoft. Microsoft is rising and will be a big rival for Google in the coming years. Microsoft and OpenAI are teaming up to challenge Google. The main competition is taking place in the browser field. Microsoft's Bing is becoming more powerful with the help of ChatGPT, and Google is only in its old school style. 2 years ago, a pair of Google researchers started pushing their company to release a chatbot. It was built on technology, more powerful than anything else available at that time. This conversation was a computer program they had developed for counseling debate philosophies, but that program didn't go well. And at the same time, OpenAI and Microsoft became partners. As Google struggles, the partnership strengthens, and they are on a big move. As the two giants in the tech industry come together, Microsoft and OpenAI. Integrating OpenAI technology into Microsoft-owned Bing will be a next-level competition. Microsoft Bing is not as popular as Google Chrome, but integrating OpenAI in Bing has diverted people's attention to the little-used search engine, and now they bring an extremely powerful competitor with Google. Many analysts said that Bing has risen 15.8% since Microsoft Corporation unveiled its artificial intelligence-powered version in February 7. There is an opportunity for Microsoft to make inroads in the over $120 billion search market, where Google has been the dominant player for packages with a share of almost 80%. As the new Bing comes, the 2023 version is filled with tech. When you open the Bing app and start typing in the search box, the list shows up with the big chat as the first option. We can ask queries to the chat box. It reads, "Hi, I'm Bing, your AI award cop. I like for the web." Get started and it will take you to a new browser window, the AI-powered chat window. The OpenAI have not only integrated that GPT into Rubbing, but Microsoft has also integrated the DALL-E 2 AI-powered image creator into Bing. This lets the user of Bing create powered images within the browser without needing to subscribe or sign up for any other service. Microsoft Microsoft confirmed that the new Bing will be running on GPT-4, the latest form of ChatGPT. Microsoft also confirmed that they have had a running test on Bing and GPT-4 for the last 5 weeks. OpenAI makes updates to the GPT-4 and beyond, and Bing also gets those updates. At the same time, OpenAI reportedly wants Microsoft to move slowly on integrating the GPT-4 into the Bing search engine to avoid the inaugurated and unpredictable responses. Microsoft is working very fastly to integrate the ChatGPT-4 into Bing to overthrow the dominance of Google. Reports say there are tensions between the two companies as they work together and compete on AI futures. Microsoft executive answered about the launch of ChatGPT last year, and OpenAI started testing the GPT-4 publicly, just as they are going to integrate OpenAI's model into Bing. Bing is not using GPT-3 because GPT-4 is more powerful and user-oriented than GPT-3. As the race between Microsoft and Google continues, both companies are chasing a revolutionary new feature for their search engines, and in the current time, Microsoft is ahead of Google by the implementation of OpenAI in their Bing. As Bing Chat is a very useful feature, it is likely by the users. The AI in Bing helps in writing email, an easy task. Bing simply translates any language in the world within no time. The AI in Bing helps in saving the valuable time of its users and helps the users in many ways. Microsoft has named this edition of GPT-4 in Bing and called it Prometheus. Prometheus, the new product of Microsoft with AI. Prometheus uses Bing, and GPT-4 generates a set of internal queries through a component called Bing Orchestrator. With the help of Bing Orchestrator, it provides an accurate and rich answer to the user's query within the given conversation within a matter of milliseconds. But at that same time, Google is not sitting ducks. Google sees OpenAI and Microsoft as powerful rivals to them. Google is feeling a massive threat to its search engine diversion by the coming up of Microsoft and OpenAI. Google has launched its AI-based system, which is named Bard. Google has been testing out Bard for a long time, and there are some mismatches in that system, and that is why it is taking so much time for Google to come up with its AI-based search engine. The Bard of Google is only in its experimental period, as Google has continued to make more investments in AI across the board. Google's AI and DeepMind are advancing in state-of-the-art features. The scale of the largest AI computations doubles every 6 months. 2 years ago, Google's unveiled its next-generation language and conversation capabilities powered by its language model for dialogue applications, simply known as LaMDA. Now, the LaMDA AI service is in the experimental stage and is expected to come to the public in the coming months. Bard seeks to combine the breadth of the world's knowledge with the power of artificial intelligence and the creativity of large language models. Bard can become an outlet for creativity and a launchpad for curiosity, and helps the users to explain their queries and answers. Google is focusing on its AI-based technologies like LaMDA, PALM, Imagine, and Music LM is being prepared in Google's kitchen to rival their rivals, i.e. Microsoft and OpenAI. The new Bing will be available for users worldwide from February 2023. Google just began their Bard only last week. Bing has only less than a tenth of Google's market share, so even if Bing converts 1% or 2% of Google's users, it will benefit Bing and Microsoft. The generative AI of the ChatGPT and large language models is a big challenge for Google. According to reports, the new feature of Bing will be released to a maximum of 1 million users. A report by the New York Times states that new competitors like Bing are quickly becoming the most serious threat to Google's search business in 25 years, and in response, Google is speeding up its completion of all new search engines powered by AI. In the digital technology race, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are working hard to win the race. As if now the Microsoft OpenAI stands in front, can Google come back with a bang? What do you think? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.